Train, Elliot. When did that come off? How did I miss that?
Oh no, I missed it earlier too.
Backing up, backing up. Here it comes. It's when it goes off the rug, it's getting a little.
Yeah. No, no. Don't touch.
Let's try that, Ellie. Watching? Goes around. And comes back. Yeah, speed it up. Speed it up. Ooh-wee. We're lighting up the caboose.
Yeah. What do you think about the train, Elliot?
What do you think about that? What do you think about the train? Mom thinks it takes up too much room. Dad thinks Mom the poo-poos on all his ideas.
Just for the record, the dining room table is in the middle of the thing that goes into the living room. Yeah, you like the train?
Maddie. Come on, Maddie. Come check it out. Look. Come check it out. It's okay.
Oh.
It's okay. I'm gonna get.
Don't get run over.
I'm gonna get a big one for you, and you can sit on it and ride it. Maddie's kind of scared of it. Look at it going around and around and around. What's this? Back it. Go backwards. Why are we going backwards? Going backwards! Ah! Oh, I think she knocked it off.